All right, quick question before we start. Have you ever watched your robot vacuum roll confidently toward a door threshold, pause, panic, and then slowly reverse, like it just saw a ghost? Yeah, same. Today, that ends, because this is the Roborock Saros 20. And this thing doesn't politely stop at obstacles. It climbs them. Let me show you something wild. Most robot vacuums see a tall threshold and think, nope, that's a wall now. The Saros 20? It literally lifts its body, adjusts its wheels, tests the angle, and just goes over it. Not once. Not by accident. Every single time. We're talking double layer thresholds, up to 4.5 centimeters plus another 4 centimeters stacked. That's the kind of height where most robot vacuums retire and start guarding one room forever. This one? It studies the obstacle, figures out how to cross it, and remembers it for next time. That's not vacuum behavior. That's robot behavior. And here's the part that surprised me the most. It doesn't just brute force its way through. The Saros 20 thinks. Its vision system is constantly scanning, front, sides, depth, recognizing cables, shoes, pet toys, random stuff you forgot on the floor. It doesn't bump first and apologize later. It slows down, adjusts, slides through. And because of that, the entire robot is insanely thin, just under 8 centimeters, which means, yes, it goes under beds, yes, it disappears under sofas, yes, it cleans those dusty places you pretend don't exist. Now, let's talk carpets. Most robot vacuums either drown your carpet or avoid it like lava. The Saros 20 literally changes its height while cleaning. On hard floors, mop down, pressure up. On carpets, mop lifts, body rises, suction locks in. And if the carpet is thick, like actually thick, the robot lifts itself again to keep airflow strong. That's not a setting you babysit. That's the robot making decisions for you. Pet owners, this part is for you. Hair tangles? Not here. The main brush doesn't wrap hair. The side brush doesn't choke on fur. Even the wheel cleans itself while rolling. I tried to annoy it with long hair. It refused to struggle. And when it sees your pet, it slows down, changes direction, even pauses the brush. Somehow, this vacuum has better manners than half the guests in my house. And when it's done cleaning, it goes home and cleans itself. Hot water washes the mops. Warm air dries everything. Dust empties automatically. Detergent refills itself. You don't rinse. You don't wipe. You don't think about it. Days go by, and the dock just quietly handles everything. So yeah, this isn't just another robot vacuum. This is the first one I've used that doesn't ask, "Can I clean here?" It asks, "How do I get there?" And then it climbs. If you thought robot vacuums had peaked, the Saros 20 just proved we weren't even close.